Here we have a 1967 Smith-Corona Corsair vintage portable typewriter. Color is turquoise or the aqua green color. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. Comes with this top that closes right on top of it like this, and allows you to carry it portably or just so you can store it, protect it, keep it clean. The margins are right behind the paper feeder, so you just move them with your thumb like that wherever you want the margins to be, where you're going to stop on each side of the platen. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space. It gets you back to the beginning and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we're on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch right here down to 2, and it'll skip 2. We're going to keep it on 1 for now and finish these letters. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Switch it from blue to red. The switch right here has a blue, white, and red. So the blue icon will hit the top portion of the ribbon, and the red will hit the bottom portion of the ribbon, and the white, it won't move the vibrator at all. So we're going to type out a sentence with red real quick on the next line. Very nice typing machine. Don't let the compactness fool you. This thing is well built, one of my more popular models that I get, and it looks really cool with the color. Really compact. A lot of people like that. The print's really nice. Smith-Corona was one of the top manufacturers for typewriters back in this time, and they were all made in America, well made, all metal except for the casing here is a hard plastic for lightweightness, but everything else won't jam up on you, and it'll last forever if you take care of it. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip that switch back, pull it right out. What it does is disengages the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a, I didn't use this, but it's got a paper tray back here. It just helps hold the paper upright. We got a tab function right here on the right side here, and the tabs are all preset, so you just hit the tab and it'll stop at a designated space each time you hit it. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left here. To clear it, you just hit the shift again. Backspace on the top right here. That works good. Pop the hood open, and we got the spools and the touch control. The touch control's right here. When you push it up, it's on L. When you push it down, it's on H. High tension when you hit the keys. You've got to hit the keys harder, but they respond faster. I personally like it on low, so I'm going to put it on low. This lever here is your ribbon direction control. Right now, all the brand new ribbon is on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. So if you flip that switch down, it'll start pulling to the left. We're going to switch it back to keep it pulling to that side. If you have the ribbon pulling to the wrong direction and you get to the end, it'll jam up the vibrator here, and it'll make it seem like your typewriter is malfunctioning, and all you got to do is just switch the direction. It's got a margin release, MR, so when you get to the end of the margin with this carriage release lever on the right side here, once you get to the end, there's a mechanism to stop you from typing. So if you hit that margin release, it'll allow you to type past that margin to finish whatever word you were typing at the end. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.